The chapter Multimodal System Output provides you with the principles of how information can be provided by a computer to a human user. After having worked through the material of this chapter, you will understand why semiotic theory can help to design appropriate system output. Textual output has to be organized on a micro, on a macro typographic level. Speech output requires symbolic preprocessing, prosody generation, and finally speech signal generation. And finally, embodied conversational agents, or ECAs, provide additional non-linguistic information and feedback and may thereby influence user behavior.